इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 2.2 ऑफ क्लास 8. Okay, the chapter is linear equation in one variable. Let's start. The question number 15, first I'm going to read it. I have a total of rupees 300. Total amount. First of all, we are writing all the data given here in the question. So total rupees 300 we have. In coins of denomination of rupees 1. These 300 rupees are in the form of rupees 1 coins, rupees 2 coins and rupees 5 coins. Okay. The number of rupees 2 coins. The relation is given between these two. Number of coins, rupees 2 coins is 3 times the number of rupees 5 coins. Means number of rupees 2 coins are given equal to number of rupees 5 coins and it's 3 times. Means जो 2 rupees के आपके coins हैं वो 5 rupees के जितने coins हैं उसका 3 times है. Okay, and there are total coins available are given there 160 coins in all. Total coins which you have in the form of rupees 1 coins, rupees 2 coins and rupees 5 coins. So total coins are there 160. Okay. So question is asking that how many coins of each denomination are with me. आपके पास रुपीज 1 के कितने कॉइन्स हैं, रुपीज 2 के कितने कॉइन्स हैं, रुपीज 5 के कितने कॉइन्स हैं, and there the two conditions must be satisfied that total number of coins must be 160 and the total amount must be rupees 300. So beta we will take the help of these two relations which are given in the question. So first of all we will assume that let the number of coins of rupees 5 be x. ओके, हमने 5 रुपीज के कॉइन्स को ही अज्यूम क्यों किया, क्योंकि इस वाले एक्सप्रेशन में, इस वाले रिलेशन में रुपीज 2 कॉइन्स डिपेंड कर रहे हैं 5 रुपीज कॉइन्स पे. जितने 5 रुपीज कॉइन्स होंगे उसको हम 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, देन वी विल गेट द value of rupees, number of rupees 5 coins. So that's why dependency 2 rupees coins की 5 rupees पर है. So that's why we have assumed that there are total number of coins of rupees 5 dx. So hence the number of coins of rupees 2 will be what? 3 into x. अगर आपके number of 5 rupees coins we have assumed as x, so the number of coins of rupees 2 will be 3x. Okay, so the number of coins of rupees 2, it will be 3x. Understood up to here? Now it is given that total coins are 160. Means we can say rupees 1 coins plus rupees 2 coins plus rupees 5 coins. These are equal to total coins 160. Okay, now put the values here. We don't know the number of rupees 1 coins, but 2 rupees coins we have in the form of x and 5 rupees coins also in the form of x. So we can easily have that the number of rupees 1 coins plus 4x will be 160. So there is number of rupees 1 coins will be what? 160 minus 4x. Okay, clear? So here we have 1 rupees coins 160 minus 4x, 2 rupees coins 3x and 5 rupees coins x. Now the total amount is equal to rupees 300. So beta how to compare the number of coins with the total amount? See, अगर आपके पास 160 minus 4x coins है रुपीज 1 के, मीन्स 1 रुपीज कॉइन्स की फॉर्म में आपके पास कितना अमाउंट है? 1 इंटू नंबर ऑफ कॉइन्स. जैसे अगर आपके पास 5 रुपीज के 5 कॉइन्स हैं तो आप कैसे फाइंड करेंगे कि आपके पास कितना अमाउंट है? यू विल मल्टीप्लाई द नंबर ऑफ कॉइन्स विद द वैल्यू ऑफ वन कॉइन. सो हियर 1 rupees coins we have 160 minus 4x, so the total amount in the form of rupees 1 will be 1 into 160 minus 4x, plus amount in the form of rupees 2 will be 2 into 3x, because 2 rupees coins we have 3x, plus 5 rupees coins we have x, so the total amount in the form of rupees 5 will be 5x, and this will be equal to the total amount rupees 300. Now solve and find the value of x. So we will have 160 minus 4x plus 6x plus 5x is equals to 300. So it will be 160 minus 4x plus 6x. So it will be plus 2x and plus 5, that is plus 7x is equals to 300. So it will be 7x equal to 300 minus 160, so that will be 140. 7x we have equal to 140, so x will be what? 140 upon 7, that is 20. Means we have got that number of coins. What was the x? X, it was number of, we assume that number of rupees 5 coins. This will be x. So that is means आपके पास 5 rupees के कितने coins है? 20 coins है आपके पास. Okay. Now 3x was what? Number of rupees 2 coins. So 3 into 20, x value we have to put here. That means 60 coins you have. 60 rupees you have in the form of rupees 2. Okay. X is the number of rupees 5 coins, so 20 coins of rupees 5, 3x, that is 60 coins of rupees 2, and 160 minus 4x, it was rupees 1 coins, number of rupees 1 coins. So it will be what? 160 minus 4 into 20, that is 160 minus 80, so it will be 80. Okay, means रुपीज़ 1 के आपके पास 80 कॉइन्स हैं, रुपीज़ 2 के आपके पास 60 कॉइन्स हैं, एंड रुपीज़ 5 के आपके पास 20 कॉइन्स हैं. नाउ चेक करते हैं कि हमारा आंसर सही है. पहले तो हमारे पास था टोटल नंबर ऑफ कॉइन्स वी हैव 160. सो सी हियर, इफ यू विल ऐड दीज 3, सो यू विल गेट 160. सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ कॉइन्स 160. टोटल अमाउंट इट वॉज 300 रुपीज. तो लेट्स चेक 5 रुपीज की फॉर्म में कितना अमाउंट हो गया बेटा? 20 कॉइन्स ऑफ रुपीज 5 मीन्स 20 into 5, 100 rupees in the form of coin 5. 60 coins of rupees 2, that means 60 into 2, 120 rupees of in the form of coin rupees 2 coins, and 80 rupees in the form of rupees 1 coin. So see, if you will add these 3, you will get as 300. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Thank you.